Welcome to the WordPress dashboard, or the back end of your WordPress blog or website. I'll admit it's not the most amazing visual experience or the most intuitive display, but what it is a content management system, which means that your content is organized and displayed in a user-friendly way, and it isn't a huge chunk of code. So in this way, it's actually pretty cool and something I'm appreciative of. Your WordPress dashboard, or sometimes called the backend, is where you can create blog posts and web pages and manage all of the workings and features of your site. As you can see, it consists of a left navigation providing menu items running down the side, with sub-menu items displayed on hover. You can minimize the menu to a narrow icon strip by clicking on the collapse menu arrow at the bottom. The main display corresponds to your chosen menu item, where you'll be able to manage all of your site's settings and features. The top toolbar has a few quick links which can be helpful, such as WordPress documentation and support forums, your domain, which when clicked will take you to the front end of your live site, your number of updates available, the number of new comments, quick links to add a new item, and your account where you can enter your personal information and log out. I wanted this to be a quick intro to what you're looking at if this is the first time you're seeing the WordPress dashboard.